What's going on, guys? Alright, so we're starting off round 6 here. Dude, got a whole bunch of stuff happening. Argo's got a sinus infection, so I'm on the podium today. I'm already losing my voice, so it's going to be really interesting. But the track is dialed, dude. The track looks so good. We're excited to do some racing. We'll let you know how the day plays out. How we feel?
Feeling good. That's beautiful.
Beautiful?
Can't wait to be riding it. Earlier I was like muddy. And now it's just very, yeah, just look at that. So good. Yep, it looks like chocolate cake. So my dad calls perfect dough. Chocolate cake. Doubling that trip over there.
Are you hitting the one? Are you doubling to the bonus?
No, when I go to this one.
Third gear line.
Hey, real quick, what line are you taking at deep corner?
I'm taking at what?
I'm taking it. I was taking the inside. It's deep. I'm thinking about just running the outside.
Do you like sand, or would you rather ride in sand or dirt?
I would rather ride in dirt.
I'd rather ride in sand.
Number 80, Dylan Perry. How was the track out there, dude?
It was very good.
Oh, very. Oh, and to my dad out there, happy Father's Day.
Good deal. We'll see you in the second moto, dude.
We're going good. I just need to make a little more improvements. It's like not really sitting. I'm always sitting down, but Dad said I was standing up in some spots. I'm making a little bit of improvements. I'm clearing some stuff.
How do you feel right now?
Oh, I feel very good right now. But that's the first time I got first place in a long time. Last time I got first place was like 5 months ago. I'm happy there.
What's your plan for the next moto?
Plan is to just give it all we got because we only got 3 laps. No.
That's what Dad said, of course.
That's what we're gonna do.
Form and technique.
Hey,
We need like this.
we're just gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what happens.
We're stuck at motos right now. Something funny that happened. It's funny now, but not then. My seat came off of my bike, but I did continue the race. I did finish it, but I got dead last. So. Yeah, very. I was kicked off at the end when I knew I couldn't win, so I'm very hot right now. You get what I mean?
Hot as in hot? Or are you ticked hot?
Both.
Both, okay.
Yeah. I don't even know what it is.
All right, so it is starting to pour. We got some lightning coming down. We are going to wrap this up. Unfortunately, we're not going to get through all the motos. I think that we are going to be short like 6 of the second motos. So we're just going to count the first moto score, and we're going to truck on to round 7.